how to play unrated games on chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can play unrated games on chess.com. To play it, the first step is to log in into your chess.com account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. And so once you're on this page, you can see different options, right? You can see play 10 minutes, new game, and all of that. And so as you can see this, the next option for you to do is to move to your game settings. So once to go to do that, move to the top right corner and then over your settings or your gear icon. Once you've hovered over it, scroll down in the drop down menu that is being displayed and then select live chess. So after selecting live chess and you are brought to the live chess option, here you can see hide ratings during the game. You can see different options. So once you can see all of this, the next step would be for you to scroll up. As you can see, hide ratings during the game. You can see that mine is turned off. That means that the ratings would appear. So if you want to turn off the ratings, you can just click on this toggle in order to turn it off, and then the ratings will be hidden. All right. And then once you've done that, scroll down, click on save, and then just like that, your settings will be saved. Then the after doing that, move to the left side of the screen where you can see the play tab, the puzzles tab, learn, etc. and click on play. So after clicking on play, you'll be taken to the play page. So on this page, move to the right side. You'll see different options like play online, computer, play a friend, tournament, etc. Just select anyone that you would like to use. So for me, I would select play online, and then you'll be taken to the playing page. So on this page, the next step for you, still by the right side of the screen, you'll see play, then you'll see custom, right? Ensure you select custom. So that's selecting custom on the settings page for this particular game. Scroll down until you can see rating range, and then you can see rated. So since as you can see the rated is turned on, since you want the game to be unrated, just turn off this toggle. All right, and then select how you would like to play, click on play, and this game will be played as an unrated game. So you can do this for other kinds of games, even for tournament, playing as a friend, playing with computers or with the computer or whatever. So that's how it is. So for you to be able to play unrated games, ensure the rated toggle here is turned off. So that is it. So have an enjoyable time on chess.com. Have a good day.